How do we order repeating decimals? In a previous section, previous video, we learned how to order regular decimals. But what happens when you have a repeating part? Well, you're just going to repeat the repeating part a few times, and then you're just going to compare digits like we did before. So it's really not terribly complicated. You just have to write down a few things. So this example says, which is larger? This repeating decimal or this repeating decimal? Which one is larger? Well, let's look at the repeating block of numbers. They both have 3 repeating repetends, or the block of numbers. So on the first number, the 4, 5, 6 is what repeats. On the second number, the 3, 4, 5 is what repeats. So what you want to do, just write down the repeating block, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 times. Just write it out a bunch of times, and then we're going to compare. So for the first number where the 4, 5, 6 is what repeats, you can see I put 0.23 and then I did 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. You see how I made it repeat like 3 times? Then for the other number, what repeats is the 3, 4, 5. So 0.2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. You see how I wrote that one also 3 times? Just so we have more digits to compare. And then I'm going to use this as a sticky note because I think it, I don't know, kind of makes us feel like a game show, but it makes it easier for my eyes too. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to slide until I see a difference in the numbers. And as soon as I see a difference in the numbers, I'm going to know which one's bigger. So stack them up on top of each other so the decimals are lined up. Those place values are the same. And the next one, oh, that's the same. 3 is the same. 4 is the same. 5 is the same. Oh, right there, there's a difference, and now I know which one's bigger. One has a 6, one has a 3. The one with the 6 is bigger than the one with the 3. So we took it all the way down, and we ended up comparing those digits, right? Because these were all the same. So those digits, this one is your small one, and then your large one. So which one is larger? That first one. That's the one that's larger. And we proved it by lining up the decimals. Now, did I need to write out the repetend as many times as I did? No, but you don't know how many times you're going to need it. So I don't know, write it 2, 3, 4 times and then compare. You should have enough digits that you can tell which one's larger and which one's smaller. So that's how you order decimals if they have a repeating pattern.